So today is class 3, or we can say today is day 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So today's topic is my family. Suppose someone asks you, uh, say something about your family. So how can we start, or what should I tell them? We can keep some points for describing my family. First of all, we can say how many members in our family. I can say how your parents or father do, how your how many brothers or siblings you have, how many what are they do, or which siblings or which brother sisters you like most, or why, or who is the closest to you. So okay, now the first thing is how many members in your family. So my family is a little family. So my father and mother I have, and I feel very happy with my father and mother, like a small family. Okay, then my father and mother occupation is my father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. So housewife is not occupation, but I what can I say? Actually, in our Bangladesh or in our Muslim culture, basically, mother are doing like housewife job. So my father is a teacher, and my other and he is a very religious person. And I don't have any siblings, so I don't know about who is my closest, or whom I like very most. And another thing is, the activity I like to enjoy with my family is um, gossiping. I like very gossiping because I don't meet my parents. Usually, in a usually 2 or 3 times in a year. I just meet my family because I stay in Dhaka and my family is staying in Lakshmipur, my hometown. So guys, I don't have any um, gossiping during staying in Dhaka. So when I meet them, I just gossiping hours of hours. We are talking about our life, culture, and what is happening on during my job period or my holidays and other issues. What is happening in Dhaka and what is the changes or what is the difference between village and town, what is the advantage and disadvantage facing other than the village. So now I mean all of discussing about uh, their features and everything whatever is come on my head, we are just talking. And sometimes we just talk and seeing a television, like drama series or drama. We just enjoy drama together, watching together. Maybe my communication English, or my expressing English is not so good, but I am realized that my speaking is so much improving. My first video, the time of making sentence is so high, but this is the third day. I feel that my making sentence is little bit faster, and I hope the day of 20 or day of 30, it will be so much quicker and fluent, I hope. So this is the way I can express myself and my family and my leisure time or day 3. I hope you guys are all understand my communicating English or my uh, family details. So I think if you follow me, or you can say like me, start You may start slow or you may start with the wrong idea concept, but you have to start. If you don't start, then you don't understand or realize. You will not be realized that you are what you are doing. You are doing good or bad. So need the first you need start. Okay, that's all about today. Day session day three. I will again come with you day four with a new topic. So till then, subscribe and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.